I'm doing this video because this camera does power on. If you're recording, it's looking like that. I don't know if there's a tape in it. Well, let's try to record something. Let's see. Camera, record. Something's blocking. Hitting the record button. There may not be a tape. Alright, I'm gonna switch it over to VCR. I can't get this to open. Eject. I'm holding the eject open and it's not opening as it should. It says never press down. You push that to close it, but this should pop open. This should raise up. You pull the tape out, put another tape in it. It'll drop down automatically, and then you push this shut where it's supposed to work. So it probably needs work.